partnership that the state of Indiana has with Get Your Teach On has been incredible.
Being able to partner with Hope and Wade and have their support to move my team to be great has just been a dream come true.
What makes them different than any other person I've worked with professional development is that they're there with us. And then they show you how easy it is to implement some of the simplest strategies and be successful immediately. It's increased student engagement exponentially.
I want you to throw your bubble at me in 3, 2, 1.
Professional development is expensive. Public school teachers, we're not in it for the fame and fortune. So making that accessible is pretty powerful.
This is a different way to live in your classroom. This is a way to find joy in every day. This is a way to make sure your kids are finding joy in every day. And when those things are happening, growth takes off.
Seeing students with 100% engagement and feeling safe and vulnerable and safe to be vulnerable has always been an important thing to me. Seeing that in my classroom, it makes me feel great.
I think a lot of times professional development is presented for a different socioeconomic category than we serve here. When we listened to Wade's story, we looked at each other and said, he is our kid's grown up. And I think that's what's powerful for my team, is to be able to see somebody just like our kids being so successful and giving back to them and teaching them strategies that work.
What they have done for our building and our community, there's not enough thank yous, there's not enough gifts, there's not enough of any of that in the world.
This has been a magical dream come true for me and my tiny little school here in Northwest Indiana. Working with Get Your Teach On has supported my teachers to find joy in the classroom again, to find joy with their kids and joy in the craft.